you want to scale your SMMA on autopilot, I'm gonna go over the couple things that I've been doing to basically delegate more, automate more, so that you can scale more on autopilot. First things first is when you actually want to scale on autopilot, you have to have a predictable way to get appointments that are qualified, right? So it's either gonna be through paid ads or organic reasons. You either have to obviously up your ad spend if you're running paid traffic, or the second piece is you really have to automate the cold outreach. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're doing a lot of looms, you're doing a lot of cold emails or cold messaging, right? You have to just bring more people into the business who have more accounts so that you can push more organic outreach. The other thing you should be looking out for as far as benchmarks are, if you really want to start spending money on paid ads, you want to be at least at the 50K a month mark, because at 50K a month, if you're running that business for 3 to 4 months, you should have enough capital and money saved to run ads. And then with having more sales reps, you'll obviously be able to, obviously keep that flow going. If you actually want to scale on autopilot, you can't be hiring everybody. So you have to have a hiring manager and SOPs. And that's how I would realistically scale on autopilot.